Good morning, kids. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine too. Thank you. Kids, we are now in week 9 of the third quarter. We have our new lesson today. This is about giving or compare and contrast information heard. That is for the week 9. Any information about this? Do you have any idea about how to compare and contrast information? No? Okay, this lesson will teach us on how to compare and contrast information. Now, are you ready for this lesson? Yes, very good. Okay, here. We have an activity 1. Please pay attention. Okay? Now, look around. Look around. Look at your classmates. Look at inside the classroom. What are the things inside the classroom? Hmm? Okay, everybody, look around. Look around. Look at your classmates. Don't be shy. Just look at your classmates. Then, look at the things around. Look at the things inside our classroom. Okay. Okay, done? Now, I have a question here. How do you describe your female classmates? How can you describe your female classmates and also the male classmates? Or what can you say about your female classmates or male classmates? Huh? What have you seen physically? Anybody? Okay. Anybody? Yes? Yes. We have eyes. What else? Nose. What else? Yes, we have mouth, ears, hand. What else? Okay, another. Yes, hair. We see hair in our classmates. And next one. What are their similarities? What are the things? What have you seen in your classmates, male or female? Your male classmates and your female classmates, what are their similarities? Hmm? Do female classmates have eyes? Yes. How about the boys? How about the female and the male? Yes, they have both eyes. And how about the mouth? Of course, male and female have eyes, nose, what else? Okay, sige, we will answer that later. Now, what are their differences? When we talk about similarities, of course, they have also differences, right? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, now, these are the things seen inside the classroom. Your boy classmate, your girl classmate, and the bags, the things that your classmates bring. Okay, then look at the boy. Look at the girl. What are their similarities? Yes, anybody? Okay. The boy, here, your boy classmates and your girl classmates here. What can you describe about the boy and the girl? This is the boy and this is the girl. Now, the boy classmates, the girl classmates, how they compare each other. Okay, here, the boy and the girl have both eyes. Both of them have eyes. Look at the boy, look at the girl. We have both eyes. We have also nose. Yes, they have nose. Ears. Yes, ears. Black hair. Is it black? No. You can say this is black and this is brown, right? Okay. Then hands. Yes, they have both two hands and they have mouth also. And what else? Yes, they have bags. Nasile bags and they wear shoes. Look at this. The girl and the boy. The boy has a pair of shoes and the girl has a pair of shoes. And of course, they are both in grade 3. They are both grade 3 pupils, right? What grade are you in now? Yes, you are in grade 3. So the your boy classmate and your girl classmates are both grade 3 pupils. And you are all grade 3 pupils, right? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed. Here, look at the bag. What can you say about the bags? Yes, the color. What else? Are the bags have the same color? Yeah, no, they have not the same color. They have different colors. But the bags are both nice. Nice, diba? Right? Okay. And both have handle. Nasilay, we have handles here. And of course, both are important for school. Is it correct? Are those bags important for you to go to school? Oh, yes, because you will put your things there and to keep your things there intact in your bags. So those are the things similar for bags, right? Okay, next. Here. The bags, the boy and the girl, classmates, you compare it. We mention the same or the similarities of the boy and the girl and also with the bag. So we are in comparison. We compare things. Yes. Man, katong girl, and the boy, we compare. So now what is comparison? What is comparing things or what is comparison? Okay, everybody, read this. Okay, here. Comparison, everybody, say it again. Comparison, again. Okay, comparison determines the similarities between or among persons, places, things, animals, or ideas. Words such as also, to, both, and similar indicates comparison. Again, we'll read it again. Comparison determines the similarities between or among persons, places, things, animals, or ideas. Words such as also, to, both, and similarly indicate comparison. Okay? When we say between, we are talking to things, to persons, to things, to animals, or to ideas. And if you're talking about among persons, among, so more than 3. Okay, we will use between if you are comparing two things, again, two things, two places, two persons, two animals, and ideas. Or among persons, we're talking about more than 2 or 3 or more, right? Okay, and we have a clue. Now we have clue here. We will use words such as also, to, both, and similarly indicates comparison. If you are comparing things, we will say both. Like the girl and the boy have both eyes, ears, nose, and head. And what else? Okay, and like I've said, as we started the class, that I'm fine too. That means that you are fine and I am fine. We are in similar condition. We are in good health. We are similar. Like we are both healthy. We are both fine. I'm fine too. Yes, very good. Now, again, what is comparison? Everybody? Everybody? Okay, again. Sige, go. Comparison determines the similarities between or among persons, places, things, animals, or ideas. Words such as also, to, both, and similarly indicates comparison. Okay, now I have an example here. Talking about similarities or comparing things, comparing persons, comparing places. Here, we compare the apples and the oranges. We compare. When we say compare, we will say, we will describe, we will tell what are their similarities between the apples and the oranges. Okay? Now, both grow on trees. Do you believe that orange grow on trees? Yes? Not a vine? Yes. The orange grow on trees. And also the apple. Do you see apple in the television? Like what part of the country that's full of apples? Okay. Diba? They grow both in trees. So they are similar. So we are comparing. You are in comparison because they are the same. They have similar. They both grow on trees. And also both can make juice. Do you believe it? Do you agree? Okay. We drink orange juice. Do you drink orange juice? Yes, that is good for your health. It's full of vitamin C. And how about the apple? Okay. Apple also, you can also drink apple juice, right? Okay. And of course, both apple and oranges are here. Yes, fruits. Both orange and apples are fruits. Do you believe in that? Is it right? Okay. Both orange and apples are fruits. They both grow on trees and they can both make juice. Okay. And both apples and oranges also have seeds. Okay. All of us eat apple and oranges, and we found seeds on the apple and the oranges, right? Okay. Next one, again, before we'll proceed. When we talk about comparison or comparing things, we are talking about their similarities. Okay? Remember that. Now, another. Here. What is this? Yes, bee. This one? Yes, butterfly. What are their similarities about the bee and butterfly? Look at the bee. Look at the butterfly. What are their similarities? Okay, yes. Both have wings. Both have wings. The bee has wings. The butterfly has wings, pair of wings. Okay. And of course, they both fly. Because they have wings, they can fly, right? Okay. So again, there's bee has wings and also and the butterfly has wings. So they have both wings and both of them can fly because they have they have wings. Okay, next one. Here. Cake and a pie. What are their similarities about the cake and a pie? Do you tasted cake? And how about the pie? Yes, they are both delicious. They are both sweet. And they are both of them are, yes, dessert. Okay, so they have similarities. Now another one, the basketball and the beach ball. Now, they have different colors, different design, but what are their similarities? Okay? Baseball and the beach ball. Yes. The baseball is circle. The shape of a baseball is circle. And the shape of the beach ball is circle also. And both are sports game balls. Right? Okay. Next one. Now, that is activity number 1. Now, we will proceed to their differences. When we talk about differences, we are talking about what is the contrast of the things, what is the contrast of the persons, the things, places, animals, or ideas. Okay, contrast. What is contrast? Or again, that is the differences. The difference between person, the difference between thing, the difference between animals, places, and ideas. That is contrast. Okay, now what is contrast? Okay, everybody read. Contrast. Everybody, say it again. Contrast. Okay, start. Contrast determines the differences between or among persons, places, things, animals, or ideas. Words such as but, yet, still, and although signal contrast. Okay? When we say contrast again, okay, we will determine the differences between things. When we say differences, there are differences between things. When we compare to, when we give differences between two things, places, persons, animals, or ideas. But when we say among, yes, more than 2 or 3 or more. Okay? Now, let's proceed. Again, what is contrast again? Yes, everybody say it again. Read it again. Together. Everybody. Contrast. Contrast determines the differences between and among persons, places, things, animals, or ideas. Words such as but, yet, still, and although signal contrast. Okay, remember that words here. But, yet, still, and although are words that can be used in giving the differences between among person, places, things, and or giving contrast to the places, persons, things, animals, or ideas. Okay, let's proceed now. Here, look at the oranges and bananas. Oranges and bananas. Here is the oranges and here's the banana. While ago, we talked about the similarity or the comparison of how to compare those fruits. Now, we are giving the contrast of the oranges and bananas. Okay, what are the differences? Look at the orange. Look at the oranges. Look at the bananas. What are the differences? Okay, oranges are orange and bananas are yellow. So, banana is yellow, but we will use but. Bananas are yellow, but oranges are orange. Right? Okay. And another difference is between the two. Oranges are round, but again, bananas are long. Look at the bananas. Look at the orange. Oranges are round and bananas are long, right? Okay. Another, oranges have seeds. Okay, do you agree that oranges have seeds? Yes, of course. Okay, and bananas don't have seeds. Oranges have seeds, but bananas don't have seeds. So we are using the word but to determine their differences. Okay, remember what word? Yes, but. Okay, let's proceed now. Those are the differences. Here, Okay, look at the ball. Football versus football. Football versus football versus football. Look at this one. Okay. Give their differences. That is activity number 1. Give their differences. Okay. Here, the other football here. Well, how about the shape? Difference. We're talking about the difference. Okay, what are the differences? Okay, here, the football ball here in the left side is round, but the football here in the right side is oblong. They differ in their shape, round and oblong. Okay? Okay. Now, compare and contrast. Everybody read this one. Together. Everybody, eyes here. Eyes on the screen. Compare and contrast. Okay, everybody. Compare and contrast. When you compare two things, you tell how they are the same. Again, when you compare two things, you tell how they are the same. Okay? Like the words, clue words here, like, alike, some, or compare. Another clues here, another words to be used in comparing things or giving comparison. And when you contrast, when you contrast two things, you tell how they are different. So what are different between the two? Compare, you are telling the same. Telling about the same of the things. And if you are, when you contrast things, we are telling the difference between the things, right? And we have clue words here, unlike, but, however. Okay? Now, here's a diagram here. You will do that later. You put it here, the different, and the center in the left side you will put the difference between the thing, and the center you will write the same or their comparison, and the right side is you will give the difference of the other thing. Okay, compare. Okay, now here about the oranges example here. Oranges, everybody read. Oranges. Okay. A while ago, I told you to write here, this side here, the difference between the orange, and here the difference between the apples. And here are the similarities. Here is the contrast here, and you will write here the, yes, their similarity or the comparison of the two fruits. Okay, here. Oranges. Here is tropical. Tropical fruits, thick peel. Thick, huh? Thick, not thin. Thick peel. And came to Europe from India. That is the difference between the orange and the apple. Because the apples grow on moderate to subtropical countries. Thick, oranges has thick peel, but apples has thin peel. Okay? Another. Oranges came to Europe from India, but apples are center of diversity in Turkey. Okay? We are using the word but. Those words here in the left side and the right side are their differences. And here in the center are their similarities. Okay? Okay, oranges and apples are both fruit, right? Okay, both grow on trees, right? Okay, and both give juice. Okay, right? Okay. Now, here. Make a diagram of comparison of the contrast of dogs and cats here. You write the difference here. You write the difference here. The cat here, the dog here, and the cat here. And of course, their similarities at the center. Okay? Again. Make a diagram of comparison and contrast of dog and cat. Here is the dog here. Here's the cat and their similarities here. Okay? Okay. Sige. Do it in 10 minutes. Okay? Time starts now. Okay. Stop comparing to others. Stop compare your answer to your. If you have questions, just ask me. Just raise your hand silently and I will approach you. Okay? Don't ask to your classmates. Ask me. Don't bother your classmates. Okay? Gets? Okay, now start. Done? It's 10 minutes. Okay, now we will continue. Here. We'll continue. Okay. 3 minutes? 3 minutes more? Okay, sige. Okay, let's proceed now. This is your assessment. And after writing, after making the diagram, please put your answers. You put your answer sheets, put your answers on your envelope and keep it under your desk and I will check that later. Okay? Now, here, this is your assessment. And after your assessment, you will proceed to your assignment, of course. When we talk about assignment, you will answer that at home, not in school. Okay? Gets? Okay. Now, you have here an assignment. Here. You copy this one. A pair of parrots. Okay? Get your assignment notebook and copy this one. And I will give you the instruction later. Okay? Okay, start. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sentences about a pair of parrots. 8. Okay, sige, start. Start copying now. Okay, done? Okay. Okay, thank you very much, kids, and see you next lesson. Goodbye.